for
Is it
Olivia
yummy?
and one for you. One for Olivia
Yum,
and one
yum,
for
yum,
you.
yum, yum.
One for Olivia and one for you. The sugar here. How do you like your cookie? Crunchy or soft?
Soft, please.
Okay. Then I will have to warm it up
Yummy.
and make
Is it
it
yummy?
soft.
Okay.
Yours is going to be made first.
Okay. How about Olivia first? Because I'm still eating my lunch.
Well, it's just going to be on your plate, sweaty, but I will need it to be cooled down
Okay.
for the person. And then start.
Whoopsie, whoopsie. Don't drop all the apples.
Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep.
Is it all done?
Yeah. Who's this first?
Olivia first. Taste it. Is it good?
What's your lunch, Mom?
Not yet. Whoopsie, you drop it. That's your dessert. Now you don't have it.